Hello everyone. I welcome you all to the first video of the 13th module on the review of role statement of ASCA, that is the American School Counseling Association. We all know that school counselor help and assess students to develop socially, emotionally and personally in their school years. In the previous week, we got an understanding about the role and functions of school counselor and the historical perspective of role and function of school counselor, especially in the 11th and 12th modules. In the history of school counseling, we came across that in an effort as a requirement to view students from a holistic perspective, combining the academic, personal and social development of students, a national standard to advocate for comprehensive school counseling was developed by ASCA. In the beginning of 21st century, where the American School Counseling Association came up with the national model, a framework for school counseling program that offers school counselors with guidelines to become an effective and efficient school counselor. National School Counseling Model came up with standards for applying and employing school counseling initiatives which comprised of behavioral and ethical standards which were meant to guide the school counselors to have proper relationships and interactions with the students at school. In this module, we will review the role statement of ASCA. We will try to understand the role and function of school counselor as defined by ASCA, as well as the program focus, professional and personal competencies, ethical standards to be followed, the direct and indirect services to be provided to the students, and the student standard of ASCA. The learning objective of this module is to understand and apprise the ASCA's role statement of school counselors. According to ASCA, a school counselor is a certified or a licensed educator who improves student success by implementing a comprehensive school counseling program for all students. The motivation for ASCA to give the role statement was to promote a clearer and more concise understanding of the overall role and function of the school counselors. Now let us see about the prerequisites of a school counselor. The American School Counseling Association states that school counselors hold a minimum of a master's degree in school counseling. With this, they become exclusively qualified to deal with students' needs such as academic, career and social emotional development through planning, designing, implementing and evaluating a comprehensive school counseling program that enhances and promotes student success. They have to meet the state certification or license standards to be a certified counselor, also have to achieve continuing education requirements, and most importantly, uphold ASCA professional and ethical standards. ASCA states that school counselors can be employed in all levels of schools like elementary, middle school and high school levels. They are also qualified to take up district supervisory positions and counselor education positions as well to monitor school counseling programs in schools. School leadership team member. The school counselor is a vital member of school leadership team. Their role is dynamic in enriching and increasing student success. Through leadership, advocacy and collaboration, they promote equity and access for all students for a demanding educational experience. With the attitude of being just and impartial, they create a school culture of fairness and success for all. School counselors work towards safeguarding school communities' human rights as well. They care to maintain safe learning environment. As a part of comprehensive school counseling program, school counselors develop prevention and intervention programs that are designed to be socially and culturally appropriate to help and support all students. School counselors also plan strategies to improve academic achievement as well as help to cope with emotions and enhance interpersonal skills among students to equip them for higher education or their work life. The American School Counselor Association recommends a ratio of 1:250 school counselors and students. Now let us see some of the duties of school counselors. ASCA states the following are the appropriate duties of school counselors, which includes academic planning and goal setting for each and every individual student. Based on students' success standards, classroom lessons of school counseling should be made. Providing short-term counseling to students. Make referrals for long-term support. Collaborate and develop partnership with teachers, administrators, families and community for student success. Advocacy for students in all meetings like individual education plan meetings and other student-focused meetings. Identify student issues, needs and challenges through regular data analysis. Improve equity and access, achievement and opportunities for all students by performing the role of the change agent in the school system. Thank you. Let us continue to understand the role statement of ASCA on school counselors in the next video as well.